Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, on a Monday afternoon from where else? The balcony here at the NYSE. It's also the first trading week for the month of August, my favorite month, and it's also a beautiful day outside in so many ways. The markets, they're about to close behind me. The investors, their computers, they're shutting down right next to me, and my New York Mets, most importantly, in first place. So it's time to celebrate. Grab yourself a drink and cheers. It's time for happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks continuing to trade in a narrow range once again on this, the first day of trade for the month of August, as investors take in economic reports amid a renewed decline in oil and more news overseas. We first begin on the economic front. Personal income up 0.4% for June. Personal consumption up 0.2%, but that was the smallest gain in 4 months, while construction spending rose 0.1%, the smallest gain since January. And ISM manufacturing data missing expectations, coming in at 52.7 versus an expected 53.5. Also, in quite the odd twist with the ISM report, that data was supposed to be released at 10 o'clock in the morning, but those reports already surfaced way before the opening bell. Meanwhile, the energy sector falling more than 0.5% this afternoon, marking the greatest decliner on the S&P. Crude oil briefly falling more than 2% to trade below 46 a barrel. The U.S. dollar right now trading about flat against its counterparts, and gold futures falling about $3.20 to last trade below 1,100 a troy ounce. And you team that with the Athens Stock Exchange overseas finally opening nearly 23% lower. That's right, 23% lower, opening for the first time in 5 weeks. Then you have yourself a session right behind me right now, where 5 stocks have declined for every 4 advancers at the New York Stock Exchange. So let's take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this volatile first trading session, not just for the week, but for the month of August as well. And on the corporate front, Goldman Sachs, in an SEC filing, said it had increased its estimate of potential legal losses to $5.9 billion from the previous read of $3.8 billion. And if you want more market mover, or you want more corporate news, check out the earlier Market Movers report featuring yours truly. And we're going to end with sports. And I'm going to say the following: let's go Mets. The best pitching rotation of all of baseball. Harvey Friday, DeGrom Saturday, and Syndergaard, Thor, Sunday night. All lights out, and now we got Cespedes at the last minute. We swept the Nationals, who were in first place. Now we're in first. I'm telling you right now, let's go Mets, playoffs 2015. And with that stated, with my serious face on, I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.